Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna tell you how to pay with Cashapp on Shein. So Shein is a e-commerce site and Cashapp is a finance application. Let me tell you this, that you cannot go ahead and pay money on Shein through Cashapp because Shein doesn't allow you to make payment on their website through Cashapp because they don't have a method through which you can send Cashapp to your Shein account directly. So for give you an idea, you can see that you can open your Shein account and click on this profile icon, and here you will see the different payment method through which you can make a payment on Shein. Here you can make payment through PayPal or debit card, but there is no option through which you can make a payment through Cashapp. So yeah, you cannot make a payment on Shein app through your Cashapp. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to like it and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.